I gave a couple of look backs. You know what I don't like out of everything? The
10 guys with backpack blowers.
Yeah, right.
The whole fucking place.
nice. Yeah, easy log crossing.
Right over that. I don't even have to try. I got one in my roof with about 30 inches. Like, I can't ride a wheelie, so it's like
Yeah.
that position is not comfortable.
Who was that guy from New
He's also 6'3", you know.
Oh, nice. A little dirt, a little cedar shake shingle off the garage. Jeez, and then got a harder hit.
Thank you guys. I wish you had that on
When you
film.
lean an engine out,
Hey, not my first rodeo.
you're getting that
Experiment with a little more on my power jet and maybe another quarter turn on my
fresh spark plug.
You saw the spear? Saw that pointed spear on the right? Put a little water on those roots.
Ridiculous, not so bad.
Correct.
45 and hit it square.
Yeah.
Next time, fucking put your foot on the log. Glenn Anthony, like Andy Anthony's, hey, no rider, walks.
That's fit for YouTube, man. Brick loop, it all came out upside down.
Have it on while you were following me up that trail.
Oh yeah. Dude, and I call that Pinhole's Rock because he was on. You can see the water just coming out like this. It was a good.
Perfect. You took that right line, but
And then I get to the top.
then you let the bike do its job. That's all.
Yeah.
New Jersey took some short sleeves. New Jersey, all the county they grab your shirt and they rip it.
What size is that?
Holy shit. These came small. They came very small.
I'm getting those ones next.